How are y'all doing?
Good.
Great. All right. Now, can you solve for y? If you're solving for something, you're trying to get it by itself. Is y by itself? No. What's next to y? 2. So all you got to do is one step to get rid of that 2. What do you do? Divide. Y'all remember if there's a number in front of the letter, that's a invisible multiplication, right? So to get rid of that 2 in front of y, all you got to do is divide by 2. It's true. So everything gets divided by 2. Slice. So these two cancel out. Now I have y equals, that's what I wanted. 6 divided by 2 is 3x. 8 divided by 2 is 4. It wasn't that bad. Just one step, right? All right, quick note. That's right. That's right. Today we're talking about standard form. Now, last time we did notes, which was Thursday, and the first part of the assignment we talked about yesterday, it was slope intercept form. So, everybody, Thursday of last week, what we talked about and used on yesterday's notes, or sorry, yesterday's warm up, was called slope intercept. That was y equals mx plus b. Today is different, okay? So for standard form, this is what it looks like. All right, so ready? Standard form is ax plus by equals c. Basically, this is not y equals. It's ax plus by equals c. Okay? So this is not going to show you the slope or the y-intercept the way it is. But guess what? We still need the slope and the y-intercept. So the basic thing that we are learning to do today is to convert this standard form. When you see it looking like this with x and y on the same side, you're trying to get it into slope intercept form. You're going to solve for y. So like our warm up, kind of. Okay, that was solving for y, but that was one step. But I'm here to tell you, we are going to do 2 steps each time. 2 steps. Sound good? All right, let me show you how it's done. I'm going to zoom in real close so y'all can see what I'm doing here. Look at number 1, okay? All right, is y by itself? No, there's a 2x next to it, okay? So step number 1, y'all ready? Y'all looking at me? Step number 1, get rid of the x term. If 2x is positive, how do I move it to the other side? What's the opposite? Negative. So I see a positive 2x, I put minus 2x. And on the right side, I put minus 2x. Now, I don't like confusing y'all, okay? But here's a little trick that I want to teach you, okay? Don't we usually see the mx before the b when we do an equation, right? So here's the deal. This right here is the mx, and this right here is the b. So what you need to do is put this mx in front of the b. So I'm always going to draw that little arrow to remind myself to put the x term in front of the constant. Okay? Make sure you're looking over here. Here's what I mean. Bring down equals. The minus 2x is going to go first, and then that positive 3 is going to go after it. Do you see how this works? The mx, then the b. Okay? Basically, what I'm telling you is they do not add together. They don't add together, okay? That's a common mistake. I see it all the time. Some people want to do 3 minus 2 is 1. No, 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 okay? You can only combine like terms. Okay, let's bring down the y term. It's just y. Are we done?
Yep.
Is it y equals?
Yep.
That's it. Now, usually there's a second step, so let me show you that on number 2. But does everyone see what we did here? I have to do the opposite of the x, and I write it in front of the constant, okay? All right, here we go. Number 2. Make sure your head's up so you can see this. Okay, I'm solving for y. What should I get rid of first over here? Well, the x has to go. What's the opposite of a positive 4x? Minus 4x. And on the other side, minus 4x. Okay? Now, remember, the mx goes in front of the b. Do not add them together. Okay? So I'm going to bring down 5y. Bring down equals. Negative 4x goes first. The minus 30 goes after. Do not actually add them together. You can't add them together. They're not like terms, okay? Right? Now, is y by itself?
Yep. No.
I got a 5 to get rid of. Well, how do I get rid of that 5? Remember the warm-up. Just divide. No. Divide everything by 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Yes, so check it out. We're left with y equals, that's what I wanted, negative 4 over 5. I'm going to leave it as a fraction because isn't slope supposed to be rise over run? Leave it as a fraction. And what's negative 30 divided by 5? You can Desmos it if you want to, but you want to reduce that. And negative 30 divided by 5 is negative 6, so minus 6. Okay, so let me zoom out here. Do you see that you can start off with standard form, do 2 steps, and now you have slope-intercept form, okay? You have to be able to do that, my friends, okay? That is literally it. 2 steps. Opposite x, put it in order, divide if you need to, okay? Now, we could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more examples of this together.
Yes.
Or we could do a couple more if you feel like seeing it. Okay. But here's the deal. Do you remember that assignment you got that we were working on yesterday? Okay. I told you to do number 1 through 9. And then hold up. Well, now you know how to do 10 and the back side, okay? Because all you got to do is solve for y on number 10, 11, and onward, okay? So let's show 2 more, right? I'm not going to overdo this and take the whole class doing it. Let's do 2 more, okay? I'll take even some guests who want to weigh in here. What do y'all think I should do on this one right here? If I'm solving for y on number 3, what do I get rid of first? The x. How do I get rid of a positive x? Minus x. Minus x. Y'all remember how I put this in front? I draw a little arrow. I'm putting that in front of that, right? Bring down what? Negative 3y equals, and now the minus x goes first. The positive 12 or plus 12 goes second. Okay, so step 1, opposite x to the other side, put it in order. And now, how do I get rid of the number in front of y? Like the last 2 times. Divide. Yes, divide by negative 3. It has to match, right? The exact same number. Divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. Please be careful with negatives. They don't disappear. You got to do something.
Oh yeah, that makes it positive.
Well, now hold up. Negative x means negative. Where is it? Negative 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if it helps you, you can put that 1 right here. Negative divided by a negative, positive, and then 1 over 3 is going to stay 1 over 3. Now you could type the numbers into Desmos to get the reduced form. Same thing here. And then what's 12 divided by negative 3? Negative 4. That is the best, most accurate, reduced slope-intercept form from standard form. Okay? What about number 4? Once again, same idea. What do I get rid of first?
X.
The x. It's positive, so I'm going to minus x, and squeeze it in front right there. Careful, what's in front of this y?
A negative.
A negative y equals a negative x minus 8. Now, am I done? Is that y by itself?
No.
Almost, but no. That negative sign has to go. And what invisible number is here? How do I get rid of any number in front of y? Every single time I'm dividing by the exact same thing. Cancel. So y equals negative 1 over negative 1 is just positive 1, but you don't write it, okay? You don't put 1x. I mean, if you do, it's not horrible, but usually you don't see it. You're just going to put x, okay? And what's a negative 8 divided by a negative 1? Negative divided by negative is a positive 8. And you don't usually have it over 1. You just write the whole number. Know what I'm saying? So again, this is the best way of writing the answer. I really need y'all to know these 2 steps. You have to be able to show your work and solve for y. So your assignment is what you already have, you should have, and if not, go get it out of the blue bin. But the last assignment, okay, the one that said 825 from yesterday over here. This one, it's in a folder that says 825 back there. I need you to finish. No, it's the same thing. But they're asking you, who is it? Oh, no, is there a name? Oh, you already did one?
You put it there. When you came in, you went on the computer.
I don't remember. You must have do it. I didn't do it.
I did it. You did.
Okay, so everybody, back to this assignment from yesterday. You did part of it, hopefully, but now you can finish it, please. Okay. Go ahead all the way through. 19. Okay. 20 and 21 are bonus extensions. Okay, but
Get the bonus.
maybe. All right, let's get started.